Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. As you can see here, that's all the leftover from chopping the wood, the big wood pile that we had over there, and this is what the video is all about. So sit down and relax and keep watching how we did the heavy work while you are sitting in your comfortable seat. Stay tuned. While my wife is cutting the bigger branches into smaller pieces to fit into the chopping machine, I'm sawing the big pieces with a chainsaw to have some wood for the stove. And then there's the huge pile of reed that we have to chop too. Here my son-in-law is filling his trailer with some chopped wood for his backyard. And while most of us are working, my son is socializing horizontally, while the children are playing outside. Zeg, dat dient wel om te drinken, hè? This is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And most of all, have a wonderful day. Bye.